Hi everybody, this is Sheila, the Crochet Nurse. Welcome back to my channel. Are you ready for part 2? Because that's what we're going to do today. So, as you may or may not remember, I went out to Hobby Lobby. I was reeled in by Jennifer at Cinnamon Stitches, and so I went out to Hobby Lobby and did a haul. And I did part 1 a little bit ago, and today is the other half of the yarn that I purchased. And so it was quite a lot, and so I broke it up into 2. So we're going to follow the same format. I'm going to show you what it is, but I'm going to put prices and things like that up here, so that way you don't have to listen to all of that. You can just view and enjoy the yarn and then kind of read over here on the side. So let's get going. I have quite a lot to do. As I shared with you before, at the end of the day, once this is all done, when I use the price point moving forward, it's going to be average of $1.50 per skein is what I paid for the yarn. Okay, let's start in our first bag here. This is probably my only acrylic here, but I wanted to try this kind of yarn, and it needed to have a new home here because it was kind of falling apart. And this is ZZ Twist, and that's the color. It's kind of like a, let me look at it real quick. The color, it's actually really pretty. You know, I like green, and this is called Green Apple. And like I say, this is the only acrylic I got, but I did want to try it because apparently the ZZ Twist is supposed to be woven backward, unlike the rest of yarn, and this is supposed to be specifically made for crocheters. So I'm going to see if it splits or what happens with it. So I got it in the color of Green Apple. I got 4 of those, and these are like 250 yards each. And then I also got 4, and look how bright white that is. I got 4 in the colorway of white. Isn't that pretty? Just a really, really bright white. Do they call it white on here? They probably don't. No, they call it crudo. And for yardage wise, what are you? 246 yards. So that's good. So that's what's in this guy here. So I'll let you know how that ZZ Twist works. If you guys have worked with it, let me know. But like I say, that's its claim to fame, is that it's supposed to be, you know, spun backward to make it a nicer product for us crocheters to use. We'll see. We'll see. Next up, I got these guys. I have not used these before. 100% cotton. These are Yarn Bee Sugar Wheel. Very pretty colors. This will probably be something for my son. I got 3 of them. And let's see. 5-ounce Better Bee Blueberry. 100% cotton, 335 yards. So about 1,000 yards there. So like I say, that's very pretty. I didn't see any other colors, but I had seen, I think I saw Jennifer with these, and I saw other people's with different colors. So just FYI on that. Let's skip over here for a second. Let's get my purple bag. So if you like purple, that's my next bag coming up. Next, Soft and Sleek. Now, this is supposed to be Yarn Bee's version of anti-pilling. They're soft and sleek, and I'm going to say to you, this is soft, very soft to the touch. This is an acrylic yarn. I guess I did get more acrylic than I thought. So this is an acrylic, 186 yards, but low pill acrylic is what it says. What's interesting about this yarn, let me flop the color up there for you. It just says the color is Purple Multi. Here's what's interesting. I found this at 1 of the 4 stores. The other stores had this at full price. Yep. So that's what I'm saying. Some things are on sale at some stores and others they are not. So I got 4 skeins of that just because I thought it was just so pretty, all those colors. Definitely will use it. And it was only 92 cents a skein. Then I wandered over to the little baby section, and I got a couple items of the baby. So this is going to be a size 2 or 3. Is it a 2? or a 3. And this is Sweet Delight. Yarn Bee Sweet Delight. Says it's 3. There you go. And this is in the color violet, which, you know, no surprise. You know I like purple. And so I saw this. I got 3 of these in violet, and these are each 377 yards. So that's some great yardage there, size 3. And then in the same aisle, but at a different store, right? Because it's, you know, same aisle, different store. A different Hobby Lobby had this color of purple on sale, and this is in the color of grape jelly. So different Hobby Lobby, they both were selling out all their purple in the Baby Bee Sweet Delight, but this one at this Hobby Lobby was grape jelly, and in this other one they didn't have grape jelly, so they did violet. They don't work well together, I don't think. Maybe a little bit, but they're both very pretty. I think I like the violet better than the grape jelly, but I absolutely will use that. That's pretty too. You guys like them? I like them. So I got 3 of these guys and 4 of these. Plenty to work some projects for you guys. Okay. Next up, let me show you this. Okay, next up, this was just gorgeous. I stood in the aisle for a long time pondering this because, oh my gosh. This is called Glint of Glam. And oh my gosh, I can't even tell you how pretty this is. See if it'll, see the sparkle? Look at that. This is in the color, it looks maroon to me. It is, they're calling it berry. And it is 295 yards. This guy, it's a 3, so not everybody's going to be their cup of tea, but I absolutely wanted this. Where is that? This is a bamboo, 48% cotton, 48% bamboo. So bamboo cotton mix here. And I'm telling you, it's super soft. So what I did is I got a mix of colors. So I got 2 of the maroon, as you can see here. And then I picked up a black. Look at that. That is going to be gorgeous for a trim. All of these I'm planning on making something out of this together. And then I picked up 3 of the silver. And on camera, it's showing it a little bit lighter than what it is. It's, yeah, right about there. It's a little bit darker. But look at this when you put these 2 together. Look at that. And then we'll throw some black on there for some trim. But that's going to be gorgeous, and it's super soft. The silver actually has less of the sparkles in it than the maroon. I would have purchased, they had this in bright red too, but you know I don't like bright red. But the maroon is actually quite pretty, and I think it's going to work up really nice. If they had more of this, I'll be on the lookout for that. Because if they have more of this maroon, I'll be picking it up for me, because that's a beautiful color. Just have to be careful how much I put up against my skin, because it'll turn my skin red, and I'll look like I have a sunburn, because that's what red does to me. Makes me look like I have a sunburn. So let me toss this back in my bag. I have another item over here. Let me get this over here. You guys are going to be surprised by this one. Red. 2, 4, 6, 7 skeins. So you know who this is for, because it isn't going to be me. Of course, it is beautiful. You know I love it. It's beautiful. I just can't wear it. I wish I could wear it because I just love it. It's beautiful. This is the Hint of Silk. You saw it in the first video as well. This is the Hint of Silk, and this one is in the colorway of China Silk. Just gorgeous, super soft. And it's 85% bamboo, 15% silk, if I remember right. Let me look. Bamboo silk, where are you? China silk, 130 yards. Yep, 85% bamboo, 15% silk. Regular is $5.99 for $1.49. And so I bought 7, 130 yards each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 700, 800, 900, over 1,000 yards. So plenty in here to make up something for my daughter. You guys know I made that ponchette for her in red, so I won't make her a ponchette, but it'll be definitely something. I think she'd really appreciate something out of this material for Christmas. Okay. Boy, one more bag. And this is all the same type of yarn, just in different colors. And what this is Marblesque. So I got it in gray, blue, purple. It's actually going to say violet. And then I also got 2 in the colorway of yellow. It's showing it's a little lighter than what it is. It's actually like a canary yellow. It's very pretty. And this is lilac. And then the blue to the blue, gray. These are acrylic, alpaca, and wool. And so I got probably 2 of the blue, 2 of the yellow. I got like 8 of the purple and about 8 of the blue, 8 of the gray. This gray is going to be making something for my daughter. The purple something for me. Great price on those as well. Okay. All right, so that was what I have. Like I say, the prices will be up here all along, so you would have seen those. All in, like I said, $1.50 a skein. When I start making things with this, that's what I'll be reporting back out for you. And that's really what I had to show you. I hope you enjoyed the haul. Any questions, put them below. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for hitting the notification bell, and I will chat with you next time.